Stop wasting compressing every single picture in your document. I'm going to show you a hidden setting in Word that automatically optimizes every image the moment you hit save. So open any Word document and go to the top left and click on the file, and on the bottom click on the options and click on the advanced. This is where the heavy duty settings live. Scroll down until you see the header, image size and quality. And here it is. So check the box for the discard editing data. This is the point of no return. It deletes the original high reversions of the image that Word usually hides in the background. And now look at the default resolution. Click on this arrow and select the 150 ppi for a perfect balance, or 96 if they are strictly sharing via email. And now click OK. Now every image added to this document will follow these rules automatically. So this way you can easily shrink every file automatically. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.